Feel the music. Educating through music, enriching lives, bringing dreams to reality, giving more meaning to life. Educating through music, enriching lives, bringing dreams to reality, giving more meaning to life. Touching hearts, touching souls, turning frowns into smiles, empowering our hearts with the energy to cross a million miles. Touching hearts, touching souls, turning frowns into smiles, empowering our hearts with the energy to cross a million miles. Without a school of music, where the music always flows. Without a school of music, where the knowledge always grows. Without a school of music, where the musicians are born. Without a school of music, your name is proudly adored.
Hello everyone, this is Suraj. I am the academic keyboard coach for Suraj School of Music, and welcome to the 11th episode of Fun Learn Day. So, we have learned in the last episode how to play a song with just 3 notes and just 6 notes. So, today we are going to learn again something with just 3 notes, and that is something called as chords. All right. So let's get started. So I hope you are ready with your keyboards and your piano. Well, I am. Great. So let's just start up with the same things as usual. That's a warm up. So wiggle your fingers and let's get to the C hand position. We'll start with the thumb with the right hand. Okay. So I hope you know your finger number is. Right? So with the right hand, finger 1 on C. Ready? Listen. C, D, E, F, G. Ready, steady, play. Great. Now, I want you to try just the skipping notes, all right? So that's the odd numbers. 1, 3, 5. Listen. Play. Listen. Play. Great. Now, I will switch on the beats and then we are going to slowly move to different hand positions, all right? We're going to go to 3 different hand positions. That's to C and then to F, which is easy to identify because it's again, it looks like C, right? I hope you're counting that. And then we go just 1 up to G. So I have my drum pattern, that's maybe 5. All right, so we're going to go to C, and then to F, and then to G. Ready, steady, listen. C, 2, 3 chains, to F, 2, 3 now to G. Ready, steady, dry. C, 2, 3 change. 2, G. Back to C. Stop. Great. Now what we'll do is play 1, 3, 5, which we played in the beginning. That's C, E, and G together, which by the way is the C major chord, right? We play that, all right? And we are going to move all of it up to F, all right? So we're going to move the shape of the C major chord up to F, all right? Remember that you're going to just lift, shift, and drop. If you remove all the fingers off, then you're going to struggle again to play back on F. If you hold it too stiff, you're going to get tired and it's going to hurt. So don't hold it too stiff and don't remove them off. All you need to do is hold the shape, lift, shift, and drop. That's it, right? No removing it off, and don't hold it too stiff. All right, ready? Listen. C major chord, lift, shift, and drop to the F major chord. But we are going to do it a bit faster. So it's C, 2, lift, shift, F. All right, let's try that again. C, 2, lift, shift, F. Now you try C major, lift, shift, great, again, C major, lift, shift, F major, great, so that was an F major chord, alright? So we played 1, 3, 5 on C, and that was a C major chord, and then we played that. On F, it was an F major chord. Now we've moved that to the next note, G. Yes. Let's try the G major chord. Let's try that out. So this G, very steady, play, very good. So now, shift up to F, F, shift up to G, ready, steady, try, C, shift up, to F. Now you try C, 2, left, shift, F, 2, left, shift, G, 2, back, to C. Great. I think you did so well that we can start playing some keys right now. All right? But for that, we'll have to add one more chord. Okay, just one, not much. So we can make it a bit more interesting. I love piano, but I want to just make it a little more EDM kind of sound. I like this one. But again, this is a bit more fast for this one. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. All right, so we had on C, F, G. Now we move just one up to A, and we get A, C, E. But this time, it's not A major, it is A minor. All right? We get into more details of this chord a little later. Not right now, but do understand that all the white keys will not give you major chord. Okay? Some of these will be major, some of these will be minor. In fact, there are only 3 of these which will be major chords. That's C major, F major, and G major. A makes a minor chord, right? Okay, so let's try C major, F major, G major, and A minor, all right? And I think this should be a bit good for us. And let me 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 4, and A minor. Now we'll restart once again, C major, F major, G major, and A minor. Ready, steady, C, 2, 4, F, 2, 4, G, 2, 3, and A minor. C back, 3, F, A minor. Great. So some of you might not sound exactly very smooth. It's okay because this is the first time you're learning chords. So you might end up sounding like it's okay because it does take time. And some of you might even sound. Don't worry, it does take time. All right? There's theory involved, there's also practice involved. So the more time you spend on it, the much better it becomes. So do not worry about that, but do keep practicing. Now we'll just try rearranging these 4 chords because these are very common chords and there are many, many songs that are built just using these chords. Similar minor, F major, C major, and G. Let's try that. A minor, F major, C major, G major, A minor, F major, C major, and try G major. Can you try those more to check? A minor and F and C major and then to G. You keep on getting the same chords, right? A minor, F, C, G. A minor, F, C, and G, right? And for a while, just get it down at A minor. All right, okay, fine. So we can stop. Great. All right, there's so many more songs that are just with this chord. I was still speaking about just the same four chords. There's so many songs on the same chord progression, like this. I should stay by. I think that's the same chords because that's one of the songs that's just come to my mind while we were playing this. But there are so many more songs which have the same chords, not necessarily in the same combination, but with the same chords, right? One such is Papa Kehte, which is something like right. So what's happening here? The chords are in a different progression, it's a different computation, but it's the same chords. C major, then you play A minor, then you play F major and G major, and you repeat the same chords. So you get C, A, F, G. Right. So let's try playing that. So for Papa Kehte, let's try playing the same chords. So it's C, A, F, G, C, A, F, G. The point is almost the whole song is just in the same chords, right? So do try this out. We are like kind of short out slightly more than the time we really need to cut short now. So do try this out. Practice with both the hands the way we tried out. So start off with your warm up. Do not forget your warm ups. Always start off with your warm ups. Practice your changing hand position quickly. Do remember we did switching your alternate fingers 1, 3, 5 to play the chords on C major, then we tried F major, G major, and then we shifted that chord shape to A. We got A minor, not A major. All right, we played Faded, which had the chords of C major, F major, G major, and A minor, and also Papa Kehte Hain, but the chords were in different order, right? So do practice and also do think about it. If in such a short time, that's in about like 10 to 20 minutes, if you could gain so much of knowledge and if you could play this much, then how much can you actually do if you spend more time practicing? And if you spend like, quality time with a teacher, right? So practice. Do listen to your music teachers, right? Do join Fitaros, do join FSM. Listen to your music teachers. Spend time on instruments. Don't just listen.
In today's times, creativity is the need of the hour, and what better way to cultivate it than by indulging in various forms of art? Presenting everybody your one-stop destination, everything that's creativity, music, art, craft, sound production, dance, languages, drama. Log on for live lessons which give you instant feedback and personal direction, all from the comfort of your own lovely home. These sessions are conducted by our amazing community of teachers. Come on then, unleash your creative power. Start your online learning journey with FSM Buddy today.
Practice. All right.